I know a lot of you have watched my flat design potted plants tutorial, and I'm excited to tell you that I've actually added on to that by creating a flat design flower tutorial over on my Illustrator channel. That's where all my Illustrator tutorials are, so a link to that is in the description and the top comment down below. By the way, there are over 31 videos on that channel, over 31 tutorials specifically. I bet you didn't think I've been up to anything, but I've been releasing all my tutorial content on my specific tutorial channels, and in the description are links to all of those. I know I've been a little bit absent lately on this channel, but I've been working through my ideas on the content that I could put out, and I realized I should just share everything that I think of, know, and have learned over the years on a marketing team, as a multimedia specialist, or it's been directing the content for an NBA esports franchise in Pacers Gaming, as I currently do now, or even everything I've learned developing this YouTube channel and creating content and creating courses over time. So every single week I'm going to commit to creating some piece of content. At least that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So I hope that you guys can join me on this little journey talking about my journey and the current state of things that I work on, and I hope that it can bring you guys some value. I appreciate every one of you. If that's interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.